Not a fan of the new Instants feature on Instagram? In this video, I'll show you how to remove Instants from your Instagram inbox and turn off Instants notifications in just a few simple steps. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now go to your profile by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Content Preferences. Here, look for the option called Hide Instants in Inbox. Now simply enable the toggle next to it. Once turned on, the Instants feature will no longer appear in your inbox, helping keep your messages section cleaner and less distracting. This can also help prevent accidental taps on Instants posts while checking your DMs. Now, if you also want to stop getting Instants notifications, go back to the main settings menu. Tap on Notifications, then scroll down and select Instants. Here, turn off both Instants notifications and emoji reaction notifications. Once disabled, Instagram will stop sending alerts related to Instants activity. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.